Yay!
Yay! Are you eating your cake?
Look.
Is it... Will you eat that one first? Is that your cake? Who's Daddy? You're going to give Dad a chocolate kiss?
That was nice.
What are you eating? Cakey. Yum. Is it yum? Did you make it? Make it with the cooking? That's right. We got the mixing bowl from there. Bowl. I'm not sure what that one means. Oh. Did you lick the spoon? Yeah? That's right, the spoon's over there. You going to give some more bites to Daddy? No. Is there a plane? Still gone. That's right, we used up all the eggs. They're all gone. That's called a carton, isn't it? Close. Carton. Whoops.
Are you all done? Are you all done?
Will you wash your fingers?
Okay.
Okay.